Web3 is one of the more futuristic applications of blockchain technology. After about 13 years of blockchain's disruptive activities, developers and enterprises are yet to fully adopt the possibilities of the technology. There was something else missing in the equation, and Casper's enterprise-grade protocol may help the blockchain serve the needs of more enterprises and push the industry toward greater mainstream adoption. In this video, we'll discover what Casper Crypto is and the solutions it offers businesses in the long term. What is Casper Network? Casper Network provides infrastructure that helps developers and enterprises leverage blockchain technology to develop working products for their consumers. It's a proof-of-stake public blockchain that makes it easy to build utilizable blockchain-based products faster and more securely with utmost efficiency. Founded in 2018, the prime objective of the POS protocol is to help businesses and developers to scale their operations at cheaper costs using blockchain technology. Casper Labs founders Meta Parlikar and Rinal Manohar carried out 2+ years of research and development before producing a working mainnet which launched in 2021. It came with the establishment of a non-profit foundation called the Casper Association that will be committed to overseeing the efficient dispensation of the decentralized feature of the network as well as its upgrades and governance. In a different light, Casper Network is a glorified version of Ethereum, which was once operational on the proof of work consensus before it migrated to the POS in September 2022. POS mechanism is a more practical solution to the regular blockchain's 3 significant problems that have made it challenging to become the household utility system we want. One of the redeeming qualities of the POS network is the process of sharding, which is the breaking down of a block of the transaction into smaller shards and distributed among a vast network of network validators to increase the speed of the transaction validation and governance of the system. The POS mechanism does not limit the extent of decentralization required for the validators, as they can participate without any geolocation restriction. The positives of Casper for developers include access to features that enable them to upgrade smart contracts. They can also conduct transactions at lower fees than Ethereum's newer POS network allows. It means they can maintain security and scalability for decentralization as they develop their applications on the network. The Casper token, spelled CSPR, is the primary driving force behind the network's robust ecosystem. This means every enterprise or project and product, such as centralized finance, decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming, is powered by the utility token. Features of Casper Network. To hold the bragging rights of a highly scalable network, Casper has some exciting features that developers and enterprises can use in a decentralized manner. First, it uses an energy-efficient network mechanism. Compared to either Bitcoin or Ethereum, Casper consumes way less energy. The core of the network is backed by Casper's architecture highway protocol. This protocol relies on Casper's correct by construction, or CBC system, a flexible yet energy-efficient consensus by proxy. The highway protocol is a significant deviation from the Byzantine fault tolerance used by most crypto projects. The real difference is how blocks are validated and finalized on the network. Any network designed on the highway has a faster non-binary finality. It allows for more blocks to be finalized within a shorter time. It can also be customized at different security levels to accommodate the fast and slow nodes. Compared with Ethereum or Bitcoin energy efficiency, Casper is 47,000% more efficient than ETH and 136,000% greater than Bitcoin. Also, the features that enable development and upgrade of smart contracts are an added benefit to Casper's future-proof blockchain. This gives it a competitive advantage over other enterprise-focused blockchains. Its package development model can allow the average developer to directly make changes to a contract as long as it's been deployed on the blockchain and is active. So developers don't have to mitigate their smart contracts outside their network in a bid to make their contracts more efficient. It's less complex and costs way less too. New features can be added to the contract, and you can fix bugs and release newer versions of a smart contract that are less vulnerable. On most POS networks, developers cannot edit or change a smart contract after deployment. This advantage offered by Casper will cause enterprises and developers to build products that can stand the test of time, even as there are significant shifts in trends and consumer needs. A network is also a developer-friendly place. Its features are designed to make work easier for developers. A developer cannot rely on proprietary languages such as Solidity, but can use alternatives like WebAssembly. If a developer has already created dApps based on Solidity, Casper offers a Solidity transpiler that can automatically convert the application's code structure to Rust, a highly efficient programming language. Migration into the network is also easier to accommodate developers looking to enjoy the best the Casper network offers. It's every developer's dream, really. While serving developers, it can also support businesses by allowing them to select the visibility of the network they want to use. As an enterprise, you can choose whether you want your projects to run on a public or private consensus without damaging the level of security or the blockchain's performance. Developers and enterprises also don't have to pay exorbitant gas fees, which is a significant downside for networks like Ethereum. How Casper works. Casper relies heavily on validators to verify blocks and provide strict security on the platform as part of a vast network of nodes that can operate from extremely decentralized geolocations. The CBC algorithm allows participating nodes to make decisions by generating and exchanging messages regarding the information on each newly created block. You can become an eligible validator by staking some Casper tokens and earning rewards for participating in the validation process. The use of Casper tokens can be summaries as follows: used as an incentive to help secure network, used for staking to become a validator or a delegator. It can be used to pay network fees. Initially, just about 10 billion Casper tokens were created, and its circulating supply receives an inflationary rate of 8% every year, being that about 80 million Casper tokens are added yearly. The inflationary rate is expected to depreciate as the years go by, and its reserve supply decreases. Most of the inflationary supply is used as a reward for participants in staking Casper tokens. It also supports the economic activity of the ecosystem. Casper is a Layer 1 token that will aid enterprises in maximizing the benefits of blockchain technology. It's part of an entire infrastructure that allows the development of sustainable digital products such as dApps, launchpads, and wallets, to mention a few. Early investors bought Casper when it was valued at 3 cents, which they had to stake for 6 to 12 months while the project gathered momentum. Eventually, Casper reached about 400 million in circulation when it launched. Its mainnet launch in March 2021 did well to help the coin reach unfathomable price levels from 3 cents to 5 cents in July 2021. It made a giant leap to cost $1.33 in May 2021. The price then slipped to about 10 cents in September 2021, with a market capitalization of roughly $200 million. Its current price is impacted by the low demand for cryptocurrencies, and when the market picks up, Casper is bound to show some positive moves to the upside once more. In the future, the launch of Casper 2.0 will significantly affect the price of Casper. The Highway Protocol will be succeeded by a much more efficient and powerful one known as the Zug Protocol. The coin currently trades at less than 3 cents as it slumps with the rest of the market, so we can't expect something extraordinary in terms of its short-term price action, but a renewed push by the rest of the crypto market will likely see Casper return to about $1 per token. The eventual upgrade will provide some volatility for investors of the coin. The Casper blockchain is exceptionally poised with the rapidly evolving blockchain. It's leaning towards the Web3 space, the future of the crypto industry, and human interaction as we know it. More enterprises and developers in the Web3 space will be attracted by its friendly and energy-efficient model, topped by its lower gas fees. It'll also be a good development ground for businesses looking to grow big with blockchain-based technology. The future-proof Casper blockchain anticipates launching Casper 2.0. Its current architecture supports a thriving ecosystem that facilitates enterprise adoption, as well as builders looking to leverage blockchain technology for scaling business operations. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you learned something. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.